A rebel with a cause, introducing the Canon EOS Rebel T8i. The Canon EOS Rebel T8i is a DSLR camera geared towards photography enthusiasts of all levels, especially beginners. It's designed to be user-friendly and approachable, providing a comfortable learning experience for those new to DSLRs. Don't let the beginner label fool you, though. This camera packs a punch in terms of features and performance, making it suitable for aspiring photographers. Whether you're just starting your photography journey or looking to upgrade from a smartphone or point-and-shoot, the T8i is worth considering. Feature-packed for success, exploring the T8i's capabilities. The Canon EOS Rebel T8i comes packed with a variety of features that enhance its usability and creative potential. This camera is designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned photographers, offering a user-friendly interface along with advanced functionalities. One of the standout features is its vari-angle touchscreen LCD. This screen is not just any ordinary display, it provides a high-resolution view that makes it easier to see what you're shooting, even in bright sunlight. This versatile screen can be flipped out and rotated, making it easy to compose shots from awkward angles or even take selfies. Whether you're capturing a high-angle shot over a crowd or a low-angle shot close to the ground, the vari-angle screen ensures you get the perfect composition every time. The touchscreen functionality adds another layer of convenience, allowing you to navigate the camera's menu, adjust settings, and even select focus points with ease. This intuitive interface means you can make quick adjustments without taking your eye off the subject, ensuring you never miss a moment. For those who enjoy sharing their photos and videos on the go, the T8i offers built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. This feature is perfect for photographers who want to instantly share their work with the world, or back up their images without the need for cables. This allows for seamless wireless image transfer to your smartphone or tablet using the Canon Camera Connect app. The app is user-friendly and makes it simple to transfer, view, and edit your photos on the go. You can then easily share your masterpieces on social media or with friends and family. Imagine capturing a stunning sunset and sharing it on Instagram within minutes, or sending a family portrait to loved ones instantly. The T8i also features a built-in pop-up flash, which can be useful in low-light situations or for adding a bit of fill-in flash. This built-in flash is perfect for those spontaneous moments when you need a little extra light but don't have an external flash handy. However, for more creative control over your lighting, the camera has a hot shoe that allows you to attach external flashes. This feature is invaluable for photographers who want to experiment with different lighting setups and achieve professional quality results. This opens up a world of possibilities for shaping light and creating professional-looking images. With the right external flash, you can control the direction, intensity, and quality of light, giving you the freedom to create stunning visual effects. In addition to its impressive feature set, the T8i is compatible with a wide range of Canon EF and EFS lenses. This compatibility means you can expand your creative horizons by choosing the perfect lens for any situation. This extensive lens ecosystem allows you to explore different photographic styles and find the perfect lens for your needs. Whether you're shooting wide-angle landscapes, detailed macro shots, or distant wildlife, there's a lens that will help you capture your vision. Whether you're interested in portraiture, landscape photography, or wildlife photography, there's a Canon lens to help you achieve your creative vision. The T8i, with its versatile features and extensive lens compatibility, is a powerful tool for any photographer looking to elevate their craft. Comfort in your hands, design and handling. The Canon EOS Rebel T8i is designed with comfort and ease of use in mind. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a beginner, this camera is built to fit seamlessly into your hands and your lifestyle. The camera body is compact and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold and carry for extended periods. This is especially beneficial for travel photographers or those who enjoy long photo walks. The grip is well designed and provides a secure hold, even for those with larger hands. The textured surface ensures that the camera won't slip, giving you confidence in every shot. The control layout is intuitive and user-friendly, with buttons and dials logically positioned for easy access. This thoughtful design means you can quickly adjust settings without fumbling, allowing you to focus on capturing the moment. The mode dial on the top of the camera allows you to quickly switch between different shooting modes, such as aperture priority, shutter priority, and manual mode. This flexibility is perfect for photographers who like to experiment with different styles and techniques. This makes it easy to experiment with different settings and explore your creativity. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or action shots, the T8i adapts to your needs. The T8i features a bright and clear optical viewfinder, which provides a more traditional shooting experience compared to using the LCD screen. This is particularly useful in bright conditions where the LCD screen might be harder to see. The viewfinder displays key shooting information such as shutter speed, aperture, and ISO, allowing you to keep track of your settings without taking your eye away from the viewfinder. This ensures you never miss a moment. For those who prefer using the LCD screen, the T8i's vari-angle touchscreen is a joy to use. It can be tilted and swiveled to various angles, making it easier to shoot from high or low perspectives. The screen is responsive and offers excellent visibility, even in bright sunlight. This means you can review your shots and adjust settings without any hassle, no matter the lighting conditions. The touchscreen functionality is intuitive and makes navigating the camera's menu and adjusting settings a breeze. With just a few taps, you can change settings, review images, and even focus on your subject, making the T8i a versatile tool for any photographer. Section 4. Real-world results. The T8i in action. The Canon EOS Rebel T8. I truly shines in real-world use, delivering impressive image quality and performance across a variety of shooting situations. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiastic hobbyist, this camera adapts to your needs seamlessly. The 24.1 megapixel sensor captures excellent detail and dynamic range, allowing you to capture stunning images with vibrant colors and rich tones. This sensor is particularly adept at handling different lighting conditions, ensuring your photos look great whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or low light. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or everyday moments, the T8i consistently produces high-quality results. Its versatility makes it a reliable companion for any type of photography, from capturing the grandeur of nature to the intimate moments of daily life. The camera's autofocus system is fast and accurate, making it easy to capture sharp images of both still and moving subjects. This is particularly useful for action shots or wildlife photography, where precision and speed are crucial. The dual pixel CMOS AF system excels in live view and video recording, providing smooth and precise autofocus tracking. This technology ensures that your subjects remain in focus, even when they're moving, making it ideal for dynamic video content. This makes the T8i a great option for vloggers, YouTubers, and anyone looking to capture high-quality video content. Its user-friendly interface and advanced features make it accessible for both beginners and experienced content creators. The T8i's 4K video recording capabilities are impressive, allowing you to capture cinematic footage with stunning detail and clarity. This high resolution ensures that your videos look professional and polished, whether you're shooting a short film or a travel vlog. The camera also offers a variety of frame rates and resolutions, giving you flexibility for different shooting scenarios. Whether you need slow-motion footage or a high-speed capture, the T8i has you covered. The vari-angle touchscreen is a valuable asset for video recording, making it easy to compose shots from creative angles. This feature is particularly useful for vloggers and filmmakers who need to shoot from unconventional perspectives, adding a dynamic element to their videos. Section 5. A light in the shadows low-light performance. The Canon EOS Rebel T8. It performs admirably in low-light conditions thanks to its impressive ISO performance. The camera's native ISO range of 100 to 25,600 allows you to shoot in challenging lighting situations without sacrificing image quality. Images taken at higher ISO settings exhibit minimal noise, preserving details and clarity. The T8i's autofocus system continues to impress in low light, quickly and accurately acquiring focus even in dimly lit environments. This is essential for capturing sharp images when shooting handheld or when photographing moving subjects in low light. Whether you're shooting in dimly lit interiors, capturing the ambiance of a cityscape at night, or photographing starry skies, the T8i's low-light capabilities won't disappoint.